This is a practice video for Themyscira by Hans Zimmer from the Wonder Woman movie, and this is the string arrangement by Victor Lopez. Bass part, and we're going to jump around and do a couple sections here, mostly focusing on the rhythm that permeates the entire piece, and then a couple half position places as well. So first of all, the counting. So we're in 7/8 time. And as it says but at the top by your tempo marking, we're doing this counting in a 2 plus 2 plus 3 pattern. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Or if you like to use food, taco, taco, burrito, taco, taco, burrito. All right, no sharps or flats, F naturals and C naturals throughout. So you're going to be using your 2s a lot, but there's definitely some accidentals, and that's going to be putting us into half position, as I just mentioned. So you start the piece all by yourselves with the drums. So again, make sure you have a good C natural in tune. Very soft, a little bit of vibrato, and then count carefully, and I will cue you when you get to 12. You're going to get into the rhythm that you'll be doing for almost the whole piece. So this rhythm will be 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2. And I know you sit on that C for a long time. I'm sorry, but you did get to switch up at 24. So let's skip ahead to 24. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And so on into that next line. 38, you just end up on the beat. 1, 2, 3, lift your bow, and now we're at 39. Be careful at 42, we're going to pop it back to half position for the A flat. So here's 39 on your 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and up. 1, 2, 3, and up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And so on, continuing in half position for a little bit. All right, so at 54, again, stay in half position for your F natural. You're just holding through the entire measure. Let's see, 60, just holding that C. Let's skip down to 75. So this is a rhythm you'll have heard earlier in the piece with other sections. You're just changing on the last eighth note every other measure. So here's 75, half position for A flat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Sorry, A flat here. 2, 3. 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3. Change to an up bow in that between those two measures, staggered bowing. So then 83 will start down into that again. Sorry, I wrote a wrong fingering in 79. That is not a 4. That's a half position 1. So I have to fix that. All right, moving on to the last page. You're just holding your ties. Careful counting with that. And at 110, I know that looks a little weird, but you're just on the beat. 1, 2, 3, a 2, 2, 3, a 3, 2, 3. It's the same as 117. It's just slightly longer in quarter notes instead of staccato eighths. All right, and then 144 is the same as 75, and then you end in half position at 152. To finish off. So again, just check a couple of the rhythms, check some of the half position, but then move right into playing with the professional recording so that you can keep track of where you are and test yourself as far as knowing all your parts.